Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LT. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple Carplay and Android Auto, lane keep assist, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, OnStar navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors. We're going to have storage and cup holder on the bottom. Also equipped with the speakers. You're going to have your rear liftgate controls as well. It'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with the chrome accent handle, Equinox badging. Just the driver's seat's going to be power adjustable, but you're going to get these heated cloth bucket seats with the gold stitch. Very comfortable. Left side, you're going to have vents and lighting control. And onto the steering wheel, you're going to have your forward collision alert, cruise control, and your lane keep assist. And the right side is your voice recognition and cluster control. So with cluster control, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, as well as oil life, tire pressure, air filter, and so much more. You can also access other things such as your vehicle settings as well as Bluetooth connectivity. You're going to have your push to start, obviously, with your climate control. You're going to have your heated seating as well as your auto stop. And up top on the infotainment system, like I said, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, OnStar services, as well as OnStar navigation. Down below, you're going to have two USB ports and a quick charge, as well as a 12-volt DC port. Just a little extra storage there. All-wheel drive and park assist. You're going to have your Chevrolet badging on the new shifter, cup holder, of course, storage, as well as center console with more storage. Passenger side, manually adjustable. Again, very nice stitch. You're going to have the all-black doors, the chrome accents around the vehicle, speakers up top, as well as you can access your reading lamps, sunglass case holder, as well as OnStar services and your SOS. You're going to have these 17-inch alloy wheels. We're going to have the paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles, deep tint rear glass. Of course, we're going to have the powered lift gate as well. The seats do go down for maximum storage. You're going to have extra hooks and a 12-volt DC port as extra wheel well storage. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear, again, same style, storage right there, as well as speakers on the bottom. It'll come up here to the power windows and the chrome handle. Pop in, lots of extra leg room. Storage behind the passenger seat. You're gonna have rear ventilation as well as rear USB ports. And right in the center, you're gonna have the cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.